The biggest problem for all YouTubers in the world is how to make beautiful thumbnails. Because these thumbnails are a great help to attract people to his videos. In this way, people's watching videos allows to you earn a lot of money. So YouTubers are very interested in making thumbnails in this way. So as a solution to that, today I will tell you how to make thumbnails with Photoshop in about 8 minutes. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Okay, first we need to create a page that fits the thumbnails. That's why you have to click on Create New. Set the width to 1920 and the height to 1080, and give the pixel to 100. After that, click on the colors below it and put the one I put. Now select your picture. After that, put it in Premiere Pro and drag it on the page you created earlier. If you want to reduce your photo size, press the Ctrl+T. So here are the basic steps of your thumbnail project. The next thing you need to do is to type a text you like. Select the text and type the one you like. I took a picture of Iron Man, so I type Iron Man. After that, you can choose a font of your choice and change the size, width, and height as you want. After that, you can use the Move tool to move the text around. I will give it today's date as a slogan. Now, you click on the bar at the bottom of the layer palette, click on it and lock the color. After that, you will see the color lookups. Give the one you like. I give here this. After that, click on the circle in the bar at the bottom of the layer palette again, and click on gradient. Click on the gradient. Then do the same as I do. After that color is okay, click on that style and give it linear. After that, click OK. Now you have completed your project. Now you have to export. Then you click on the file and select Export as set the export to JPG, set the quality to great, set the file location you want, and export. Now you can see a beautiful thumbnail like this. So subscribe and join our channel to watch more videos like this.